Hello students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Tajib sir and today we are going to learn new topic. Okay, and that topic we are going to further that exercise. Understood? So students, before starting any exercise, let's check here today's code. So now here let's see here today's code. So students, here today's quote is every day is a new opportunity. What? Every day is a new opportunity to change your life. You have an opportunity in your hands to change your life. Understood all? Now we move on. Let's discuss here. We discuss here. Today we are going to learn. So students, today we are going to learn what? Revision multiplying by 2-digit numbers. Students, today we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn revision of last lectures, multiply by a 2-digit numbers, multiply without regrouping, multiplying with regrouping, exercise number 4F, question number 1, multiply without regrouping, and then question number 2, multiply by regrouping. Understood all of you? So now let's check here one by one we all things here. Again and again I am repeating for you. Today we are going to learn new topic, multiplying by 2-digit number. What all students? Multiplying by 2-digit number. Then after multiplying without regrouping, then after multiplying by 2-digit number, multiplying without regrouping, then after multiplying with a regrouping, without regrouping and with regrouping, this both topic, and multiplying by 2-digit number. Then after new is exercise number 4F, question number 1, multiply without regrouping, and question number 2, multiply by regrouping. Understood all? Got my point? So now let's start here. We start here the multiplying by 2-digit numbers. Understood? Multiplying by 2-digit number. So what to do here? Multiplying by 2-digit number, multiplying without regrouping. Okay, here which topic is first? Multiplying without regrouping. Example number 1. Kanis, here are all examples students in a maths, all example, any topic we are going to learn new, any topic we are going to learn. So that time students, what to do? That time we do the problem. Okay, by a problems we are learn example. Understood? So we can get easily how to solve this sum. Kanis collect small toys animals. What? Kanis collect small toys animals. She kept them in a box. What? Kanis collect the small toys animals. She kept them in a box of 12 each. She has 23 boxes of toy animals. Understood? Kanis is the name of girl and collect a small toy animals. She kept with them in a box of 12 each. Each box has how many animals? 12 each, and she has 23 boxes. How many boxes? 23 boxes of toy animals. How many toys animal does Kanis have in her collection? So first of all 12 and 23. Okay, so what to do here? Multiplication. So we multiply with 23, multiply with 12. 23 multiply by 12. Understood? Step number 1 is what? All students, here we do 23 multiply by 12. So what is the step number 1? All students, step number 1 is multiply by ones. So here only we multiply with ones, and then after second step is what? Multiply by tens and add both the product. What? First of all, step number 2 is what? In step number 2 there are 2 points, means 2 points in one step. Multiply by tens and then add both the products. So what to do all students? I hope you all are understood. First step is multiply by the ones. What? Multiply by ones, and step number 2 multiply by tens and both product. Understood all? Got my point all students? So again I am repeat these things. First of all, example, Kanis collect the small toy animal. What? Kanis collects some toy animals. She kept them in boxes. Kanish collects the small toy animals. She keeps them in a box of 12 each. She has 23 boxes of toy animals. And how many toy animals does Kanish have in her collection? Understood? So 23 multiplied by 12. 23. 2, 3, 23 multiplied by how many all students? 12. 23 multiplied by 12. Understood? Now we are going to further. Step number 1. Multiply by the ones. Multiply by ones. Then after step number 2 is what all students? Step number 2. Step number 2 is multiply by tens and both the product. Understood? Multiply by tens and add the both products. So now we do here all students. So step number 1, multiply by ones and multiply by tens and both the products. Understood? So what to do? Here we write a 23 first step. Here we do the first step and then we do here the second step. So here we do, what is the first step all students? You must be remember this both point and keep it in mind, this both point. And I hope you all are writing with me both step. Understood? Okay, now you again write in your rough book. Step number 1 is what all students? Multiply by the ones. And step number 2 is what? Multiply by tens and both the products. What all students? Multiply by the ones and multiply by the tens and both the products. This both point. Okay, and this both point we are going to discuss here. Understood all students? So let's check here. So first point is what? 23 multiply by 12. 23 first of all here is multiply by 1. So 23 multiply by 2. So 2 3s are this 2 and this 3 multiply with each other. 2 3s are 6. How many all students? 2 3s are 6. And then after 2 2s are how many all students? 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, here is multiply by the ones is done. 23 multiply by 2 is done here. Understood? Then after what to do? Multiply by the tens and both the product. So here we 12 we are broke number. 12 we are broke in number. How can we 12 broke? 10 plus 2. How many all students? 12. So here we multiply with 2 and then after we put the 10. Understood? So 10 of 0. Otherwise compulsory 0 we are putting here. In step number 2 compulsory 0 we are put there. Understood? Compulsory 0 we are putting because of we are do the multiplication 4 digit means a 2 digit multiplied. That's why we are put there a 0. Understood? Now we multiply with 1. So 1 multiply with 23. So 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Understood? And now we do the addition. So now here we do the addition. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3. Add with me also done 5, 6 or 7. So here we add the 7. Then after 2. So how many old students? 2 as it is. Answer is what? 276. Answer is what all students? 276. Got my point all students? Understood all of you? Answer. Kanish has 276 toy animals in her collection. What? Answer. Kanish has 276 toy animals in her collection. We got the answer 206. Again I am repeat this example. What to do all students? How many steps of multiplying by 2 digit number or multiply without regrouping? How many steps are there? There are 2 steps. Step number 1 is multiply by ones and step number 2 is multiply by the tens and both the product. Understood? So what to do? 23 multiply by 12. Step number 1 is again step number 1 multiply by the ones and step number 2 multiply by tens and both the product. Multiply by ones, multiply by tens and both the products. 23 multiply by 12. 2 3s are 6. How many all students? 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Understood? Only 23 and 1 is what? 2. Then after we put the tens. How can we tens come? 1 and 2 means 12. 12 we break in two parts. Okay? 2 difference and then 10. 10 plus 2. How many all students? 12. Okay, so first of all 23 multiply with 2 and then 23 multiply with tens. And then second step is multiply by tens. So 23 multiply by 10. 10 of 0, otherwise compulsory 0 we are put here. Then after 1 3s are here 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Then now we do the what? Addition. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 2 as it is. So we got what? 276. 23 multiplied by 12 is equal to 276. So answer is what? Kanis has 276 toy animals in her collection. Understood? Got my point all of you? Now we move on. Multiply with regrouping. First of all, which example we have done further? Before starting our this example, before example is a multiply without regrouping, and now multiply with regrouping of example number 1. Roshan has a very large collection of marble. Here a name of boy Roshan. Roshan has a very large collection of marbles. He keeps them in 28 small glass. Roshan has a very large collection of marbles. He keeps them in 28 small glass boxes that hold 32 marbles. What? 23 small glass boxes that hold 32 marbles each. Each boxes has a hold 32 marbles. And how many boxes are there? 28. Okay, so question is what, all students? How many marbles does Roshan have? Okay, 32 marbles in each boxes. So there are total 23 boxes. So how many marbles are Roshan have? So what to do here, all students? Here we do the multiplication, but here we do the 28 multiplied by 32. Okay, I hope you all are remember the both step. How many steps are there, all students? There are 2 steps. Step number 1 is multiply with ones, and second step number 2 is multiply with tens and add the product. Now 28 multiply by 33, and then now what to do, all students? Here we break the numbers. What? 32 we break the 32. How can we break the 32? 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So first of all 28 multiply with 2 and 28 multiply with 30. Understood? So now here we do multiply with ones. So 2 8s are 16. 16 of 6 here and 1 as a form of carry. 8 2s are, or 2 8s are how many, all students? 16. 16 of 6 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Okay, 2 8s are 16. 16 of 6 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Understood? Got my point, all students? Now we are move on the second step. Second step is what? Multiply with tens. So second step is what? Multiply by tens. Now here we do the second step, multiply with a tens. Understood? So here we put the compulsory 0. See here. First of all, we 28 multiply by 2 is done. Answer is 56. Understood, all students? 2 is done here. Then after 28 multiply by 32 means 30. Okay, so 28 multiply by 3 and then we get the answer as like that. Understood? So 3 8s are how many, all students? 3 8s are 24. How can we write the 24? 4 here and 2 as a form of carry. Done. Now 3 2s are is left. So 3 2s are how many, all students? 6. 6 plus this both carry, means 2 is carry, 7 or 8. So we write here 840. Understood? We write here the 8. Got my point, all students? 28 multiplied by 32 is equal to 56 plus 840. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. How many, all students? 5 plus 4, 9. Understood? 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then after 8, as it is, the answer is what? 896. Answer is what, all students? 896. So how many marble has a Roshan? Roshan has 896 marbles are there. Understood? Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood. Now let's check here example number of 2. Multiply by a regrouping. Okay, without regrouping we have done. And second example of multiply by regrouping. Understood? Example number 2 is, all students, 73 multiplied by 48. 73 multiplied by 48. How can we do that sum, all students? So multiply by the ones or multiply by 1. 73 multiplied by 48. So what to do? Here we break the 48. How can we break the 48? 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. So first of all, 73 multiply with 8. 73 multiplied by 8. 73 multiplied by 8. 73 multiplied by 40. Understood? So now here we do the first step only. Then after we do the second step. So 73 multiplied by 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 of 4 here and 2 as the form of carry. 8 3s are 24. 24. So 4 here and 2 as the form of carry. Then after 8 7s are. 8 7s are how many, all students? 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2. 57 or 58. Understood? 57 or 58. 58. So we write here the 58. 73 multiplied by 8 is equal to 584. Now here we do the second step. Multiply by 10s and 8. So 73 multiplied by 40. Okay, means 4. So 0, compulsory 0 we are put. Then after multiply with 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1 29. So we write the here 9 into 29. Understood? Write the 29. Okay, and now what to do, all students? What is the next step? Next step is the addition. So now here we do the addition. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 of 0 here and 1 as a form of carry. 8 plus 2 10. 10 of 0 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 of 5 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 1 plus 2 is equal to how many? 3. So answer is what? 3504. Answer is what, all students? 3504. Understood, all students? Got my point? I hope you all are understood, all students. Okay, and then now students we have move on most important 2 sentence. Okay, most important this line. This written 4 lines you compulsory you have a write in your fair book, otherwise your rough book, and keep it in mind and always remember this topic. Okay, number a 2-digit number. Okay, sorry, remember 2-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number cannot give you a product that is a more than 4-digit. Okay, remember one more thing here, all students. A 2-digit number multiply, we get a 2-digit number cannot give you a product that is a more than 4-digit number. Okay, whenever we are do or whenever we are solve the 2-digit number, otherwise 2-digit multiplication, 2-digit multiply, so always we got the under a 4-digit product, not a more than 4-digit product. I hope you all are understood what I am telling you. Understood all students? Remember, a 2-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number cannot give you a product that is a more than 4-digit numbers. Understood all students? I hope you all are understood betterly, and you must be right in your book. Now students, we are going to learn exercise number 4F, question number 1, multiply without regrouping. Understood all students? Multiply without regrouping. Exercise number 4F, question number 1, multiply without regrouping. What all students? Exercise number 4F, exercise number 4 we have done. Question number 1, multiply without regrouping. So now let's check here all students, question number 1. Now let's check here the question number 1. What is the question number 1 all students? Okay, so question number 1 is 22 multiplied by 23. What all students? 22 multiplied by 23. Understood all students? So what to do here all students? Here we do 22 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 23. So how can we do all students? We do as like that, 22 okay, we do the step by step all things. Okay, step number 1, what do all students? Step number 1, multiply by ones, and then we do multiply by tens. So here we do the multiply by ones. 22 multiplied by 3. What all students? 22 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So we write here the 6. Again we 3 2s are or 2 3s are 6. Okay, and then now we multiply with 2. But what to do all students? Second step, we have put the compulsory 0 that time. So now we put the compulsory 0. Then after 2 2s are. Okay, then after what to do all students? 2 2s are 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 2s are 4. Now what to do? We do the addition. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. And after 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. So how many all students? 10. 6 plus 4. Do with me all students. 7, 8, 9 or 10. Understood? 10 of 0 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 1 plus 4. How many? 5. So answer is what all students? 506. We do as like that also. Okay, 22 multiplied by 23 is equal to 506. 22 multiplied by 23 is equal to 506. Then after, okay, then after one more method, means how can we do? First of all we do the step by step. Multiply with ones here, multiply with tens here, and then now here add only. So again I am repeat these things all students. 22 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Understood? Then after 22 multiplied by 20. So 0 this here compulsory we break. 23 all students. 23 we must be break here the 23. 2 0. Okay. So we break here. So 0 here. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. Okay. So here now we do the both. Here we add and get the product. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 of 0 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Understood? Got my point? So what we are got the answer? 506. What we are got? 506. Then now question number B. Question number B is what all students? 13 multiplied by 21. 30 multiplied by 21. So how can we do? First of all we here multiply with ones. So 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1 is step number 1. Multiply with ones is done. Now step number 2, multiply with tens. So compulsory 0 means 20. We break the 21 into 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Okay, so compulsory 0 of 0 we are putting here. Then after 30 multiply with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So we break here 216. Okay, 3 plus 0 means 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, 2 as it is. So answer is what we got here. Answer all students 273. What we got all students 273. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Otherwise, next method, next step, how can we do the next step? Means next method, other method. Okay, different kind of method. Directly we do as like that, otherwise we do as like that one. Okay, so 13 multiplied by 21. So first of all, this 13 multiply with 1s and 13 multiply with 2. So 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Okay, then now second step, that time we put the compulsory 0. Then after 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Okay, and then now we add. That is a very simple method, all students. Okay, this is a very simple method, and we do as like that. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Then now a second step. Okay, so that time we put the compulsory 0. Okay, then after 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Understood? 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, and 2 as it is. So what we got here, answer 273. What we got here, answer all students 273. Got my point, all students? Now let's move on question number C. So students, let's check here the question number C. Okay, so what is the question number C? 44 multiplied by 12. 44 multiplied by 12. So how can we solve the 44 multiplied by 12? So we do the step by step all thing. 44 multiplied by 10. Okay, so here we break the numbers. 12, how can we break the 12? 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, how can we break? First of all, we multiply with 2 and then multiply with 10. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 0 4s are 0, 0 4s are what else? Sorry students, here we put the forget to compulsory 0. Okay, then we put the compulsory 0 and then we multiply. 1 4s are 4, again 1 4s are 4. Understood? So 88 plus 414. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 of 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Okay, 8 plus 4 how many? 9, 10, 11 and 12. Understood? Then after 12 of 1 here and 2 here, then after 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So we get a product 523. Okay, what we got all students? 444 multiplied by 12 is equal to 528. Understood? I hope you all are understood betterly. Again I am repeat this method, whole method. Okay, 44 multiplied by 12. So first of all 44 multiply with 2 and then 44 multiply with 1. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are again 8. Understood? One by one we do the all step. 2 4s are 8 and this cross 2 4s are 8. Okay, then after second step. Okay, here this both digit, here this both number have done, and then now we move on this both number. Okay, this multiply 1 multiply with 4 and 4. So what to do that time? First of all we put the compulsory 0. What all students, don't forget to put the compulsory 0. Okay, in second step don't forget to put the compulsory 0. Okay, always you put the compulsory 0 and then we are starting a multiplication, means multiply with digit. So that time what to do? Then after next step, 1 4s are 4 here 1, so 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. Okay, 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, 8 4s are 12, 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then after 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So what we get here all students? 528. What we get all students? 528. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Today students, today we are start the exercise number 4F. Question number 1 is done, and tomorrow we are going to learn exercise number 4F, but question number 2, multiply by regrouping. Here we have done the multiply without regrouping. Okay, in next session I hope you all are I hope you all are understood this question, and next lecture we are going to do the on question number 2. Understood all students? And today's your homework is what? Exercise number 4F, question number 1. Only 3 sum you have to write one time in your fair book. Understood all students? Thank you so much, and stay home, stay safe.